As a chiropractic sports physician, I strongly advise against cracking your own neck. Each audible pop represents gas shifting from within the joint, not a precise correction. And because you can't control the exact segment that moves, you typically overstretch already mobile ligaments while leaving the stiff, dysfunctional vertebra untouched. Repeated self-manipulation can therefore create chronic instability, accelerating arthritis, disc degeneration, and premature wear on the facet joints. It also risks irritating any nearby nerves. Importantly, the temporary relief that you feel is deceptive. Lax ligaments invite muscles to spasm in order to protect a response that, again, pulls you back into pain and prompting another impulse to twist. Cervical adjustments require a thorough evaluation and an exact line of drive and force. These are skills that take years of training. Leave the corrections to a professional.